Every time I fly, I get the same question: how do your videos look like that? Well, it's because not all drones are the same. Some make you feel like you're inside the cockpit, ripping through trees at 80 miles per hour, and others float like a perfectly stable camera crane in the sky. Today I'm pulling back the curtain: FPV versus camera drones, and which one fits your style. Let me put it this way: an FPV drone doesn't just fly, it throws you into the air. When I put the goggles on, I'm not standing on the ground anymore. I'm inside the drone. Every dive, every flip, every mistake, I feel all of it. Flying a normal drone like a Mavic or a Mini, it's totally different. It's like holding a super smooth, stabilized camera in the sky. You're framing shots, lining up horizons, letting sensors keep everything perfect. FPV is adrenaline. Standard drones, pure cinematic chill. One is a race car and the other is a luxury sedan. And honestly, I love both for totally different reasons. With FPV, it's all you. Acro mode means no GPS, no sensors, no stability. You're balancing throttle, roll, pitch, and yaw every second. If you stop concentrating, yeah, you're picking up pieces. Camera drones baby you, and I say that with love. Let go of the sticks, they just hover. Obstacle avoidance, return to home, GPS lock, it's flying with a safety net. FPV feels like flying a jet. Camera drones feel like steering a floating cinema rig. Camera drones are built to look perfect: 4K, HDR, 10-bit color, mechanical gimbal, straight out of the box, it's movie ready. FPV drones, they're built for motion. We strap GoPros and O3 air units on top and send it. You get insane perspectives, insane speed, but you still need real steady or gyro flow to smooth it out. So FPV wins on energy and immersion. Camera drones win on clean, predictable, cinematic beauty. FPV drones are storytellers of motion, flying through doorways, chasing cars, carving mountains. These shots make people go, how did you get that? Camera drones are the kings of clarity: real estate, landscapes, mapping, commercial, anything that needs stable, gorgeous footage. I use FPV when I want emotion. I use camera drones when I want precision. I'll be honest, FPV takes time and repairs. You'll crash, you'll solder, you'll spend hours in simulators. A camera drone, you can unbox it and get a perfect shot in 10 minutes. So if you want challenge and adrenaline, you'll fall in love with FPV. If you want easy, safe, cinematic footage, go standard. Here's the truth: FPV is for pilots, camera drones are for creators. Both are art, just different flavors of flying. So what fits your vibe? The wild freedom of FPV or the smooth, cinematic flow of a traditional drone? Comment below which you'd fly and follow for more drone stories, tips, and behind the scenes flight adventures.